Hello friends! Today we're going to be exploring seeds. So everyone should have a bag that's labeled Seeds for Exploration. Inside your bag you're going to find a mixture of a couple of these different things. So you may not have it all, but you'll have some. You should have some seeds in pods like this. You might have some little tiny seeds like this. Some seeds might come in a flower. You can check those out. Sprinkle them in your finger. Whoa, look how tiny. And some seeds might be in a really big pod like this. This used to be a flower. It's called a cardoon. So to explore your seeds, you can open your pods. There's some beans inside, and you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can use your tweezers. That's a really special garden tool. And you can use them to take things out of your pods. You can also use them to pull some seeds out of a big pod if you have them. Whoa, got a cool seed there. You have another cool garden tool called a magnifying glass. Some of you maybe have used this before. I'm going to show you how. If I saw this magnifying glass and I held it up to my eye like a detective, that might be a little bit hard because then if I look down at my beans, they're going to be really blurry. But if I wanted to look at my seeds, I can hold my magnifying glass up right above them and take a peek there. And now I can see my seeds a lot closer. Once you've explored the seeds you're given, I encourage you to find seeds at your house. I looked in my garden, you might see in your fridge, and I found a tomato and a cucumber, and I found some berries. All these things, even corn, has seeds. You can use your tweezers to pull those out. Just like that. Take a few minutes to just explore your seeds. You can sort your seeds by size. I have big seeds here. I have little seeds here. These are also little seeds. And I have my teeny tiny seeds over here. You can sort your seeds by color. I have some green seeds. I think my cucumber's got some green seeds too. You can see how your seeds move around. This seed, if I drop it, maybe I'll take a piece out. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Just take a couple minutes and explore. Have fun.